Welcome to Bitcoin Watch, your go-to source for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of farming crypto airdrops for beginners. This entire video, by the way, is AI-generated, showcasing the incredible advantages of artificial intelligence in content creation. Crypto airdrop farming is a strategy where users actively engage with various blockchain projects to increase their chances of receiving free cryptocurrency tokens. These airdrops are promotional activities by blockchain startups, designed to create awareness and encourage the adoption of their new digital currencies. Airdrops help projects build an initial community, reward early adopters, and decentralize their networks, offering users a way to diversify their portfolios without significant financial investment. The first step in airdrop farming is setting up a crypto wallet, like MetaMask or Phantom, to securely store your tokens. It's highly recommended to use a separate wallet specifically for airdrops to minimize any potential security risks. Next, you need to find airdrop opportunities by staying updated through reputable crypto news outlets, Telegram, and Discord groups. Once you've identified an opportunity, you'll need to complete specific tasks, which might include following social media accounts or testing their platform. Interacting with decentralized applications, or dApps, by staking, swapping tokens, or providing liquidity can also increase your eligibility for airdrops. Bridging assets, or transferring tokens between different blockchains, is another common requirement for airdrops on new chains. For advanced users, delta-neutral farming involves taking opposite market positions to minimize risk while still participating in airdrops. While using multiple accounts might seem appealing, many protocols now use sophisticated detection methods to disqualify users attempting to exploit the system. Active participation and contribution to project communities can significantly enhance your visibility and unlock substantial earning potential. There are several types of airdrops, including standard airdrops for registering, bounty airdrops for completing tasks, and holder airdrops for holding specific tokens. Retroactive airdrops reward early users of a project, while exclusive or loyalty airdrops are given to long-term supporters. The benefits of airdrop farming are numerous, including no initial investment, portfolio diversification, and community engagement. It also offers educational opportunities and early access to promising new projects before their official launch. However, be aware of risks like scams and phishing attacks. Always verify the source of an airdrop. Security concerns are paramount. Never disclose private keys or sensitive information, and consider using a separate wallet for airdrops. Some airdrops may involve low-value tokens from unsuccessful projects. And remember that receiving tokens can have tax implications in certain jurisdictions. For beginners, start with low-risk airdrops that don't require financial investment, such as social media engagement. Engage to earn by completing simple social tasks, ensuring your social media accounts appear human and active to avoid being flagged as a bot. Participate in testnet airdrops, which reward you for testing new platforms, offering a low-cost way to gain valuable experience. Diversify your efforts by participating in multiple airdrops to increase your chances of earning valuable tokens. Finally, always track your airdrops, keeping a record of your participation, completed tasks, and claim dates. And that's your crash course in crypto airdrop farming. If you found this guide helpful and want to stay ahead in the crypto world, make sure to support the channel. Go ahead and hit that like button, share this video with a friend who's just starting out, and subscribe to Bitcoin Watch for more deep dives. Oh, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an update or our 24/7 live streams. Your support helps us keep creating content just for you. Thanks for watching.